Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lightning. Happy birthday to you.
Stars, feeling the winds every time. I cannot stop thinking of you since you've been gone away from here. Shedding the tears, crying out loud for once, 'cause you were such a precious part of me, and there's no one to fill my broken heart. Oh, but now I have realized the reason why I live in this world. Even you have left me here alone. I found the way where I can get hope for the future. Maybe I'm gonna see the new world with nothing but the love you gave me. Only thing I can do is to trust the time we share. Maybe I'm gonna go to the new world with nothing but the strength you gave me. There's nothing to be afraid of. I know your love will lead me where I should be. Even if it is dark and hard time for me, I don't wanna give up my home. Having a dream, basking in the sun every day. I'm starting to think that I'm still here, though the pain of loss still hurts me. Making me smile, making me laugh many times. Everything is gentle to me, because you are